Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making veg soft noodles from scratch. Firstly, I have taken 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, a pinch of salt, and I am mixing both of them well. We will be making the entire recipe from scratch. So, after mixing the wheat and salt together, I am adding water a little by little to make a dough. After making the dough, I have added 1 spoon of oil and I am kneading the dough for 5 minutes. Knead the dough well and let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut our vegetables. I have taken lengthwise chopped onions, 1 cup, carrots chopped lengthwise, capsicum also chopped lengthwise, cabbage chopped lengthwise, and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. All the ingredients and their measurements will be given in the description box down below. After 30 minutes, let's knead the dough again for 1 minute. I have taken this snack maker to make the noodles today. This is also called as idiyappam maker, and I have taken the small hold circle to make the snacks, to make the noodles. You can use any other plate to make the noodles as well. Now I have fitted the dough into the snack maker. And assembled the snack maker. Let's keep this aside, and to a pan I have added 6 cups of water. Bring the water to a boil and simply press the snack maker to make the noodles into the boiling water. Don't cook the noodles more than 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the pan from the flame. I have taken a large bowl and a strainer, and I am pouring the noodles along with the water into the strainer. Discard the hot water and place the strainer once again into the large bowl and pour in some cold water to stop the cooking process of the noodles. Let's do it one more time. Discard the water, add in some cold water. Non-sticky whole wheat flour noodles are ready to be cooked. Our noodles are ready now. So let's make some veg soft noodles. I have taken 1.5 tablespoons of oil to the same pan, and when the pan is very hot, I have added the onions and garlic. Saute them for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add in the carrots. Saute them for 1 minute as well. After a minute, I have added capsicum and cabbage. Saute all the vegetables for 2 minutes. Add in some salt. Be careful, don't add a lot of salt as we'll be adding some sauces. The sauces also have salt, so just be careful not to add a lot of salt. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Coat all the vegetables in the sauces well. Stir for a minute or two, and now let's add our boiled noodles. Mix the contents of the pan well. Coat the noodles and vegetables in the sauce and let them cook on the pan for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I have sprinkled some black pepper into the noodles. Once again, give it a good mix and remove from flame. Our homemade veg soft noodles from scratch are ready. If you are a noodle lover, do try this recipe and let me know how it goes in the comments down below. Hope you like this video and hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching and until next time, bye.